Alright, what's up YouTubes? I'm making a video because I was surfing Amazon for a solution to my setup and came across this, the Ultimate Support JS MS70 JamStands Studio Series monitor stands. I looked through all the pictures, read a few reviews, people were stoked, they hold weight, they're stable, reliable, wanted to see for myself so I added it to the cart. And 2 days later, they showed up on my doorstep. I saw a lot of people asking what type of speakers these stands could hold. I've got the Pioneer built 8s. There you go, that's what's in the box. So you can kind of tell in the box that the holes are on the top piece. You got your locking pin, the lower piece, the adjustable knob, the top plate, and this bottom triangle, which helps you get it into corners and out of the way of your table legs. No real instructions. There is a tag on here that kind of walks you through the support, but I think it's pretty straightforward. Here we go. So come to realize that these floor pads, the ones that are installed, are pretty rubbery and they screw in and out of place. Pretty straightforward. Or you can actually take the washer that's included and these floor spikes, and together you can set it to screw in to here and have adjustable varying heights if it's at a little bit of an off surface. I'm going to be indoors for this setup, so I'm going to keep the rubber pads on here for now, but keep these off to the side. They will be useful if you are outdoors or on uneven surface. So I wanted to bring it down to floor height to be able to show you the next step. The top screw is already in place here, but it doesn't have a washer on it. So before I put the monitors on these new stands, I wanted to take some measurements, show you guys. These stands are about 9 inches by 9 inches, good square. Now the Pioneer built 8s, 11 3/4 inch to the face of it, and then across we've got about 10 3/4. The whole idea was to be able to take my turntable and get it on this folding collapsible table that I use for my DJing. So I wanted to play around with some different heights and kind of get the feel for this table, get the feng shui and the arrangement correct. So there you go, I was able to get both those monitors on the stands, frees up a whole area of table space, was able to get my turntable onto this table with my other decks. A big struggle that I have when the monitors are mounted on the table is you want the monitors to come at you at a good angle, whereas this, they're really twistable and adjustable. You get a really balanced understanding of the audio that's coming in. I wanted to show you a little bit on the bottom here. I'm gripping the 9-inch plate that's on the bottom surface of the stand, and then you can see the 11 3/4 overlap. Then coming from the front, we have the 9 inches compared to the about 10 3/4. Not too much overhang. It's a very sturdy system. I mean, even if these things are rattling around, they do have a little wobble and shake. I clamped it down pretty good with the Allen key, but to be expected. Just to give you an idea of the base here, the triangle setup makes it out of the way. Super sturdy, very easy adjustable up and down. I would definitely recommend these. Give them 2 thumbs up.